The new TCL TAB 8 LE is a compact, on-the-go tablet, helping to keep you connected at an affordable price while rocking T-Mobile's nationwide network. Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the latest tablet from our friends at TCL, the TCL TAB 8 LE. Let's check it out. Designed to be ultra-compact and portable, the TCL TAB 8 LE comes with an 8-inch HD display and has useful settings like reading mode, which is helpful when reading, and eye comfort mode, perfect for watching videos. The 8 LE is also equipped with dual stereo speakers that help to deliver great sound. Need to snap a photo of something to remember? The TCL TAB 8 LE's got you covered with its 5-megapixel main camera, and it also has a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. The TAB 8 LE is built with 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage, and the storage is expandable with a micro SD card slot. The TCL TAB 8 LE comes with a 4080 mAh battery and has TCL's Smart Manager and Battery Saver modes built right in. They're there to help you get the most out of your battery. Now inside the box, you'll find the TCL TAB 8 LE, the Quick Start Guide, USB-C cable, and wall adapter. The new TCL TAB 8 LE is a compact, on-the-go tablet, helping to keep you connected at an affordable price while rocking T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can get your hands on the new TCL TAB 8 LE at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.